Okay. Oh, she does that a lot. Lottie. Good morning. Hello. Here we are. Today is Tuesday. Po'alua, December 29th. You're gonna be 6 months tomorrow, baby. We're gonna take a little stroll. Take a little morning walk. We had a little rough start with baby this morning. She got up crying her head off. Wouldn't take a bottle, wouldn't take passy, changed her diaper. We did everything we could. Nothing was working, so I just put her in the carrier and we're gonna take a stroll. Nevertheless, we're heading out and we're gonna take a little walk. Huh. Kilape and her omole. We've been meaning to take little walks like this for a while, but we're only now getting around to it. As a matter of fact, yes, I am still in the same clothes that I was in the last 2 videos. But it's gonna get changed. We're changing today. I don't even think I've bathed in the last 2 days. I'm not gonna be wearing anything spectacular. We're just gonna be cleaning around the house. So today's plan. So far, we've got a few things done. I'm nearly done with day 2 get clean video, which is of us cleaning the car. Honestly, I don't think that video is gonna be very long because I couldn't really get that much footage, but I'm gonna try and film like the final look of the car today, right after this, and then get that up and edited right quick. Kane just finished taking care of the cardboard boxes. That is done. It's done right now. Praise God. So what do we have left for the day? We have the room to clean. We have the stuff from the car that needs to come upstairs. Kane's hats, baby's clothes need to be hung. And then yeah, I'm glad we started the morning with the walk. That made such a difference. Look at these little Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana creams. Yeah, it smells pretty delicious. Oh, and if you haven't already noticed, we're gonna be going back and forth with iPhone footage and Sony footage. I'm just filming on my iPhone right now because the Sony is charging and I wanna make sure she's as charged as she possibly can be so that when we have to do actual filming in the room when we start cleaning, she's ready to go. Okay. Okie dokie. All right, let's go downstairs. Oh, you guys wanna see my outfit? Yeah. Real mom vibes right now. These biker shorts are so comfy. They're from the plus size Target brand. Aviv, I think they're called. Making our way downtown, walking past faces, something and I hold down. Oh my gosh. Okay, so one thing at a time. This stuff has to go upstairs. That stuff has to be hung. That's got to be put away in my makeup bag. All of Kane's hats are going to go on his shelf above his clothes. I don't mind that these games stay downstairs. We're going to tackle this room today. We can probably leave the games up there. Also, guess what's coming down today? What am I pointing at with my phone? It's time. Because if it...
that down till after New Year's.
There's no rules. I'm thinking about it because then it'll just give us time to figure out what to do with that empty space. Oh, so where was I? Yeah, so we have a whiteboard with all of the things that we got to do today. Follow up on trash, did that. Clean guest room, getting to that. Clear table and counter, going to get to that. I got my Desi sunglasses that I wanted to take a few photos with, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do that today. Work on vision board, put away Christmas decor. Maybe edit second YouTube video. So far we are working on the second YouTube video and it's actually almost done. The problem is it's only about 5 to 6 minutes long right now. So I want to make it at least 10 so it's worthwhile and worth watching. So I'm going to go outside and take some final video. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to finish as much as I can to the very end. The second video, today's video, Tuesday's video. And then we'll see where we're at. And I might be back on the Sony after this. I'm not sure. All right, update. I have gotten nearly nothing done. That's a lie. I'm currently updating today's video, which when you see this, it will have been yesterday. So it's uploading right now. It's at 32%. Doing pretty good. I'm writing out the description. That's all that I've done today so far. My daughter's been just fussy, not wanting to go down. Yeah, I think the only thing that I've gotten done so far is this. I mean, I haven't filmed since the last clip, which was hours ago, but I think she's finally down for a nap. I don't know how long that nap is going to be, but I think we have a little window of time to get something done. After I finish this description, then I'm going to jump and clear off these counters. Well, we'll see. No promises, no promises. All right, nearing the finish line of the YouTube video, or at least screenshotting the thumbnail. I think this will be it. So right now it is 1:52. This one looks good too. This mess, huge mess. Can you see it? Maybe. I have two to choose from. For thumbnails, I usually just screenshot a picture from the video and then I'll send it to my phone, do a little bit of editing, put the words on it, and then upload it to YouTube for thumbnail. It's relatively easy, but I make it a lot more complicated than it has to be. But not this time. I'm making it super simple.
Is there something after there's nothing to say? We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape.
Making some quesadilla. A little change of plans. Just a little. Yeah. Hi, baby girl. Hi. It's 3:33 now, and I still haven't cleared that table. I am eating though, so that's a good thing.
No, not her. I ate first. She's up for a long time.
2 hours. Haven't got to the table yet or the room. Yeah, I'll use that bygones to be bygones. Tuesday's video is up and ready to go. I don't know what time I'm going to put it live. Maybe 4 or 5. And then I have to start editing this one. But one thing at a time. Okay, so we got some doing something. We're doing something. Right now, I'm changing my clothes because I'm going to post a few pieces that I have that I no longer want anymore on my Insta stories to see if anybody wants to buy them. Probably not. I'm probably embarrassing myself doing this. You can't see me because I'm changing. Dude, I wore this thing like one time. One time. Okay, so the first piece is this dress. I'm going to take a few pics and see if anybody wants to buy it. Or I'll just give it to somebody. Switching this to photo. Let's see if that's a good. Oh yeah, that's good. I don't want my face in it. That's the thing. Okay, hi. We got a little bit of movement going on. I got Connie to put some stuff in the container. Now I'm just trying to get this room down here cleared out. This is a bunch of books. We need to look what we want from this and the rest donate. This I wanted to put for the vision board too. I don't know, put some stickies, double-sided stuff. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm trying to keep all the vision board stuff together. I wanted to keep all of baby's things in this closet, but then I'm thinking maybe it should go upstairs because she got a lot of stuff. She got these things. We should probably go in her container because she's not going to use. Like this. What is this? Whale bubble ball inflatable bathtub. I don't know what to do with this. New Year's Eve shoes. So I'm making some progress, getting a little late start, but we're getting along. Okay. Oh, she does that a lot. This gotta go downstairs. This has to go downstairs. Hello all.
Bye.
You're in my video. Alright guys, are you ready to see the final room? Ready? Ta-da! My gosh, what a difference. And no, not everything is shoved in the closet. It's put nicely. Okay, so let me just break it down. This is just all baby's things. I don't want the living room cluttered with a lot of her stuff, so I just have her playmat out there and her rocker. She goes in this. The problem is we haven't put in the screws. She's kind of been in it with, you know what I mean? It's not Pa because we don't have the screws in it right now. I'm just keeping it in here until we do find the screws, and we're just gonna have to keep her entertained another way. This I just put together today. This was from, I think this was from Grandma Stella or Mom Celeste. And then in this box here, we just have some random dollies. Easy access, I can pull it out if I want to, but I just wanted to make sure it was all in one place. Board games, ukulele, electronic bags, tripods. We have the ring light that Miss Kahi Lizama got me for Christmas. Christmas stuff, random plant, I don't know what to do with, box for ornaments. That's all my immediate tech stuff, like the things that I know I'm gonna have to use on a daily basis. My phone stand, my USB and hard drive is in there, my clicker, paper and just stuff that I know I'm gonna need to use on hand. And there is absolutely nothing under the bed save for the Christmas tree box. So that's gonna come out probably sometime in January because I don't want the Christmas tree out too long. I don't know what to do with this. It is cute. It takes up a lot of space though in the living room. So I'm just thinking to leave it somewhere in here. I wanted to put it in the closet, but it's too big for the closet. So it's just gonna be here for now. That is the room so far. 100%, 100%. Now we're just working on this table. And then right now I'm actually gonna go take all this stuff off. This stuff is just a bunch of sweets and things that we got from Christmas that I'm just leaving on a table. Whoever comes over wants to eat, help themselves. I'm gonna give my mom-in-law credit for it because that's what she does. She has all of her sweets on her table. And it's all right. You know what I'm saying, Giselle. She keeps all of her stuff like on her table. Here she kisses, cookies, treats. I'm stealing her inspiration. I'm taking inspiration from her. I gotta take all this stuff off first and then wipe it down. Fresh and clean. That says 950. So we had a few bumps in the road today, but hey, everything got done. Y'all saw the room already. And then remember I also said I was gonna clear off the table, and the table is cleared. I think it's time for these cookies to go. So I'm probably gonna trash them, or maybe Friday, because Friday is rubbish night. I don't think I told you guys, but Giselle, my husband's sister, and her boyfriend were over. She needed to use our kitchen and make mochi, butter mochi, as Christmas gifts for her coworkers, and she left us some. Oh my gosh. She made little pans for us too. So yummy. Taste test. Even though I've tasted it 100 times already. The living room is open and clear as much as it can be. Christmas tree isn't gonna go down just yet. We're gonna wait a little bit after New Year's. And yeah, I think that will conclude today's video. I haven't even begun to start editing this video, so I need to get it moving. This will conclude Wednesday's video. Can you believe it? 2021 is 3 days away. If you haven't watched the previous 2 videos, I'll leave them linked down below. I'm happy at how much we've been getting done. I've checked off a lot of, actually, cleared table counter, done. Honey hats upstairs, baby hang clothes, done, 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 done. Shoot Desi sunglasses, maybe tomorrow. Vision board, right after this. Put away Christmas decor. Edit second YouTube video. Done. Now it's gonna be the 3rd YouTube video. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, ihola. Thanks guys for watching today's video. I hope you've been enjoying the series so far. I'm very proud of myself for getting it up. Doing the work and getting the videos up and not taking it so seriously. Thumbs up, comment, let me know if you liked it. Let me know if you want more. I don't know what I have planned for Thursday's video yet. It's the eve of New Year's, so we'll see. But we're gonna wrap it up. Again, thanks for helping me get my life together. But I'm gonna say goodnight now, and I love you. And Jesus loves you. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video. I love y'all. I'll see you soon.